All right, welcome back. So we've got the shellac on the bottom of the pads, and I've got my trusty video helpers here to show an installation. So here we go. We're going to start with the F sharp pad here. I've already pre-cleaned the rod and get it greased up a little bit. Alright, so we got a heat gun here and heat up the back of the pad. Get the shellac melted and adhered to the back. Alright, and as that heat is cooling off, getting some pressure put down to get a good seat. If you can see on the blinking light, can you see the seat there? The ring around the pad. So there's no pressure on that, and there's no leaks all around. So you can see the back of the pad there too. All right, now we're going to do the same thing for all these down here, one at a time. Good. You can stop it.